Welcome back to Bilim. Today, we're revealing 5 hidden tricks in the latest iOS update that will blow your mind. First up, custom lock screen widgets. You can now personalize your lock screen with widgets that show the info you care about most, like weather, calendar events, or even your favorite apps. Next, live text in videos. Yes, you heard that right. You can now pause any video and select text from it. Super handy for copying a phone number or web address without having to rewind. Number 3, focus mode improvements. The new update lets you link specific focus modes to home screens, so you can set your iPhone to only show certain apps, depending on whether you're at work, home, or out. Fourth, screenshot improvements. You can now capture full web pages and scrollable content with one swipe instead of multiple screenshots. No more cutting and pasting. And lastly, better AirDrop controls. You can now decide who can send you files with an extra layer of privacy and control, so no more unwanted file requests. These iOS features are definitely game changers, and they're all packed into the latest update. Don't forget to subscribe to Bilim, smash that like button, share with your friends, and let me know in the comments what hidden features you've discovered.